Lesson Overview. DAX, Data Analysis Expressions, is the formula language of Power BI. This lesson introduces calculated columns, fields you derive row by row from existing data. What a calculated column is. A calculated column is added to a table and stored in the model, just like an imported column. It is evaluated once per row at refresh time and uses row context. The formula sees the current row's values. Syntax. Examples. When to use a calculated column. The value depends only on other columns in the same row. You want to slice or filter visuals by the result. For example, group customers into VIP, regular. The value rarely changes and is cheap to compute at refresh. When not to use one. The value depends on the filter context of a visual. For example, total sales for the selected period, use a measure instead. The column is huge and high cardinality, it bloats the model. The transformation could happen earlier and cheaper in Power Query. Prefer Power Query for static cleanup. Calculated versus imported columns. A calculated column lives in the model and refreshes when the data refreshes. An imported column comes from the source. Functionally, they behave the same in visuals, but calculated columns add load time. Try this. Create profit margin columns on a sales table. Drag margin percent into a visual and format it as a percentage. Add a calculated column, tier equals if sales margin percent is greater than 0.3. High, if sales margin percent is greater than 0.1. Medium, low, and slice the report by it.